Hello, welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope your trading journey is going amazing. In this video, I will introduce the trades that we provide in our VIP group as well as in our free group, and I will also explain the analysis behind each trade that we share in our groups. All of our trades are non-martingale, and all of our groups are currently free to join. If you want to join us, the link is available in the description. You can also message us on Telegram at @BBinarySupport. All the links are available in the description, so make sure to check them out. Now, let's move on to the video. The first trade that we provided in the free group was on E or JPY for the upside move. The logic behind this trade was very clear. There was a strong support level, the market was in an uptrend, and the moving average was also supporting the price. You can see that the previous red candle closed above the moving average. That's why we provided a buy signal, and this trade resulted in a very good win. Now let's move on to the second trade, which we provided in the VIP group, and this group is also free for now. The second trade was on GBPAU2 for the call side. The logic behind this trade was the presence of a strong support level. You can see that the previous candle showed weakness before moving upward. That's why we provided a buy signal, and this trade was also a solid win. Next, let's move on to the third trade, which was on AUDJPY for the downside move. In this trade, you can see that the market was moving in a range, but there was also a visible downtrend. The moving average was acting as resistance, and there was a clear resistance level. The previous candle closed below the moving average. Although the price briefly broke above the moving average and resistance, it gave a strong rejection from the moving average. We took the entry from the moving average, and this trade resulted in an excellent win. Now let's move on to the next trade on AUDCHF for the downside move. In this trade, you can clearly see a downtrend and a continuation pattern. If you have watched our previous videos, you already know this setup. That's why we provided a sell signal, and once again, we won this trade from the moving average. Next, we provided another signal on AUDCF, but this time for the call side. In this trade, there was no clear downtrend. You can see that the previous red candle showed weakness before the upside move, which indicated a continuation pattern. There was also a clear support level that I marked. Based on this setup, we provided a buy signal, and this trade resulted in a very good win. If you notice carefully, even an entry from the moving average would have also resulted in a win. Now, let's move on to the next trade, again on USDCHF for the call side. This was a slightly risky trade, but let me explain the logic. You can see a series of continuous red candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 red candles. After such strong selling pressure, we expected exhaustion. The final red candle failed to push lower and showed weakness. That's why we provided a buy signal for the upside, and this trade also resulted in a strong win. So that's it. We won 6 non-martingale trades in this session. I hope you now understand our trading logic and how we provide our signals. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment your thoughts below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.